listening. I do not care who's gonna say what. I don't care how other sangomas view it. But I want people to know. Mamelani, guys. Be careful of sangomas. Be careful of izangoma. That is including myself, because I'm also a sangoma. I am also a kobela. So, listen. All right, Shab. Hey! People are not going to like this, especially sangomas, especially amakel. Listen. Le impande nganamona, impande le pilisayo. Mamel, you go to a sangoma, you get consulted, and they tell you that gunento ejardini. They tell you gunomuthi ojardini. That's a lie. Hayibo koko kanjani? Listen, that's a lie. That's a lie. Umuthi osejardini will not be visible. Will not be visible. Umuthi enye kubona with the naked eye. The minute inyanga ingena endumbeni or ingena egini izokuba ikhipha umuthi, it's because uze nawo. Hey, Gogo, what are you saying? I am saying to you, the minute inyanga ifika, the minute a sangoma gets inside your yard and akipu umuti, it's because uze nawo. Kanjani, Gogo? Listen, I also know how to do that shit. It's time sangoma stop playing na bantu. It's time we stop it with our bullshit, because that's flipping lies. I don't care who says what. I don't care who has a problem. But sina manga za ngoma. Umuntu makazophuma nomuthi ongaka osesitsheni okuphup athi ugubhe phansi ekini nimbukile kaso. They know ukuthi bafaka kanjani. They know ukuthi bawukhipha kanjani. I've been there, I know. And I regret it. I regret why it happened. I regret why. But now I don't regret it, because I got to learn that this is a lie. Kill me if you want to. I don't care. Listen. Umuthi uyafakwa ejardini, yes. But ufakwa nje ngesichelo. Bese isangoma sizofika sibethela umuzi, that's a good thing. Ukuthi awubethela umuzi. Bese isangoma sizofika sichela umuzi, that's a good thing. Achela umuzi. Ijardi laqiniswe, yes. But leyo ukuthi azokhipha umuthi ejardini, it's because uze nawo. Ake ningitshele la, ubani onesikhathi sokugubha thatha ipiki. Akana nemoto, uyasuka la asuka khona. Azogubha umuthi ejardini, ku ejardini lo muntu, nisuke nikuphi? Bese nizokholwa mina, mangifika emakini ngizonitshela ukuthi kunomuthi phansi, mele nigubhele, nisuke nikuphi? Ake ningitsheleni la, umuntu azagubhe phela, mawugubha kukhala ku. Ngize ngigubhe in such a way that you don't even hear me ngigubha. Unlike umuntu makangena ejardini azoganga, yes bayaganga, bathela izinto singabezwa silele, but I'm asking ukuthi umuntu makagubha aphume nomuthi. Egini nize na extender lo muthi abantu bangaphandle bagubha foundation azangiphume. That's a lie. Wake up, South Africans. Do not be desperate for help. Seek it. Seek help. But don't be desperate. Do not be desperate to be helped by sangomas. Utigoloshi mabathi egini bayokhipha utigoloshi kusemini bakhipha utigoloshi. That's a lie. Utigoloshi agahambe mini. Utigoloshi is an invisible spirit. And kukhona abatigoloshi and babonayo face to face so. Uzu inti igquma phezu kwendlu, uzu inti iqhuma phezu kwendlu. Listen, into uma iqhuma kanjalo igquma phezu kwendlu. Ikhishwa ngokwespirit, not ukuthi uzoyibona. Itikoloshi isuka ithunyelwe, ihamba ebusuku yenzani, ifike kuloyo muzi ihlale because of umuzi usuku ungaqiniswanga. Sometimes ingafiki nala ithunyelwe khona. There's a difference between utikoloshi nomkhovu. Umkhovu you see in the physical, but the spiritual tikoloshi you do not see. That's why sometimes alala nawe, that's a spiritual husband, utikoloshi. Hayibo, kahleni ukudlalwa izangoma. Yeah, so some are tuning in because Gogo is telling people the truth. I do not care. But anya kungenze lutho. Lengani ithembeni ngowakweni. Ukuthi ngithembeni, but I am telling you. And that is one hell of expensive shit you can ever get from Isangom. Listen, if you go to Isangoma, bese athi kuwe le entabeni khona laba bagubha khona bavalela impilo yakho iphakathi kwani iphakathi kwani bayivalele lapha impilo yakho hamba gubha ngizofika lapho nento ebhaliwe vele ukuthi igama lakho uDipuo ngifike ngibhalile lapho bese ngiyayifaka ngeke ungibone ukuthi ngiphethe njani. If you want me to prove it to you, call me in your yard ngizokhipha umuthi, but lo muthi ngizobe ngize nawo mina. Ngibize ungitshela ukuthi ngizokhipha imali. Ngibize ngizokhiphela lo muthi ongekho engizobe ngize nawo onegama lakho mina. I can do it. That's a lie. That's a lie. Utikoloshi uyaphila, yes, emini waya ngakokotekini physically. Physically utikoloshi akokote physically, guys, stop it. Stop it. Ukhona, yes, emini akekho. So wena lo muntu oze kini azokhipha utikoloshi emini usuka kuphi uhlala phe emini lo tikoloshi why amabhoda angakhala emini? Why iroof emini ingakokoti? Why kaqhumi ebusuku? Because edlozini izinto snacks, they have, you can't see them with the naked eye. Izinto ozibonayo with the naked eye izinto ozifuyile. Utikoloshi omfuyile izinto ozifuyile ezimnyama yinyoka yinani. That's why noma uthwele inyanga yakho inyoka yakho yokuthwalwa ibonwa uwe kuphela endlini ayibonwa ingane, because it is meant for you only. Others they can't see with the naked eye, but uzothi mhlambe esinini mawulele uthi yazi ngiphuphe ngathi ngibona inyoka nanana, kanti kusuke lo muntu ohlele naye endlini athwele ngaleyo nyoka uzoyibona in a form of a dream, not with the naked eye. Asekile namanga angazi ke mina mhlambe zikhona izangoma ezikhonayo ukuthi izikhipha imithi. Maybe it's God. I don't know. Ngiyacela zangoma sekele ukudlala ngabantu. Let us unite and come back as South Africans. Silapha abantu ngokweqiniso. I'm not perfect. I'm not Samaria. I've done mistakes ebinyangeni bami. Mamelala, I've done mistakes. I know, but I do not want this thing to be continuous. Let's pull up our socks and let South Africans come back to who we are. If we're going to lie to our own people, they're gonna end up going to these fake pastors who are foreigners who are here to destroy abantu bethu. And when they believe kubo Bushiri and them, we're gonna blame them. Why are we blaming them? And eat their money. So they'd rather take imali yabo by ponsele kuma false prophets, because nababuyele esintwini sabo sidlala ngabo. There is nothing good njengokuthi uthanda isintu sakho because sikuthanda back, and the results you get ngokuthanda idlozi lakho. Listen, umuntu wamadlozi, umuntu wabantu abadala, you don't have to work hard. You need to love hard. And when you love hard, your ancestors show you miracles. They do wonders in a way. Good bazo bathi unenyoka kanti you don't have any snakes. Umuntu athi uzokhipha umuthi emotweni yakho. Lalela umuntu wavula ibhuthi emotweni yakho nini? Wavula ibhuthi waze wafaka umuthi besiphi isikhiya sakho semoto? Noma ibhuthi yakho ivulwa ngedrad. Yo, saze saphela isizwe simnyama amanga wezangoma for the sake of money. Sis zangoma. Uyithathaphi umuntu isikhiya sakho semoto avule ibhuthi aze avule ilo afake umuthi? Yes, imoto yaqiniswa because siyanthakatha ngeimoto. Yes, imoto yaqiniswa because siyanthakatha. But who on earth would even go underneath your car ayofaka umuthi ukuphi wena? Such hard work. Le moto uhamba nayo for years and years. 4 years down the line, uSkhotheni azokutshela ukuthi kunomuthi la. Imoto yageze car wash, now uyayigeza, iyaya ku service, iya kuma mechanic. Lokho lo muthi awubonakala. Sozobonakala uma uya kuSkhotheni kahle eMskhotheni. No. No. No, guys. Senzeni kahle. You have the right, if izinto zakho zikusebenzeli ubiyele enyangeni ubuza ukuthi kwalaphi. Please stop believing anyone. You have the right to go to a sangoma and ask for a certificate. Haya botikoloshi bayafika kini bafika bazodla kuphela. So lo tikoloshi uze lipapa egin. Do you know ukuthi when you come to endumbeni yami, if I'm desperate and I need money, ngiyakutshela ukuthi kini kunetikoloshi bese mina ngimthumele ku, so that you will come back and pay me. Bese ngiyahamba ngiyolanda utikoloshi wami egin. Not that ukhona. Ngiyamthumela because I saw the desperation that you have in namang. Ngimthumele. Ngimtshela ukuthi ngizomlanda. Bese wena uyangikhokhela, bese mangifika ngenza into ezithunyana, ngibuyele emuva nezinto zami. Kwalo nompopo ngaphandle kimi wami. Ngangibuza ukuthi uhamba kanjani. Angithi there are powers ebunyangeni that you can use in a good way and in a bad way, but it's up to you as a person. What is it that you want to do with the powers that your ancestors are giving you? If we can give pastors the power to fool you guys and you believe in them even when they do wrong, then you need to believe ukuthi umuntu uyasebenza. umthanda upastor noma sekakudlengulile umlwele court uthi angifuni ngalo mfundisi lo uhlala wazi ukuthi umuthi usebenzile. So guys, be careful. I am not excluding myself. I am saying I am also a sangoma. I don't talk about things that I hear. I talk about things that I've been through and about things that I know. I don't talk about uban what. I'm talking about something that I know. That's why I'm saying to you, if ufuna ngizokhipha umuthi ejaradini lakho with this box ibhodlela elibhalwe Thabang ngibize. Ngibize ngizokhiphela. If ufuna ngizokhipha utikoloshe kine mina gijima ngibize. Ngizothumela lo wami. Ngimtshela ukuthi iya lapha e1340 ngizokulanda kusasa. Yo, so you think a witch will open your car and put muti? Oh, you understand? Be careful. Love you all. Let me end it here before it goes deeper than the ocean. Amen. Remember, do not consult when you're desperate. Consult when you're happy. Do not consult under desperation. Consult when you're happy. Do not wait for problems to come to you, because people see a desperation in you and they give it to you. Do you understand? They see desperation and they consult you according to the desperation. Do not be desperate. Just need help. Funa usizo, but do not be desperate for help. Believe in yourself. Believe in your ancestors. Believe in the power of your ancestors. Believe in ukuphahla, guys. Believe in prayer. Amen. Let me end it here. If you think I am a scam, or if you have a problem, block, unfollow, delete, and reject. Amen.